story time, my sweet giggle bugs. Snuggle in close, 'cause today's tale is Aunty bakes cakes, Mum does too. Get ready for some yummy kitchen fun. My mommy bakes cakes with so much love, and they smell yummy in our kitchen. But guess what? My auntie bakes too. When she visits, she brings sweet little cupcakes that look like tiny presents. We eat them together and giggle with joy. Oh, so tasty and fun. Now let's sing the rhymes and learn the melodies, kids.
Sound. Cupcakes, cupcakes, cupcakes. Cupcakes, fluffy and sweet. Cupcakes, cupcakes, cupcakes. Cupcakes, fluffy and sweet. Cupcakes, cupcakes, cupcakes. Cupcakes, fluffy and sweet.
Now let's say the words and learn how to speak them, kids. Words like cup, 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 cake, 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 coal, 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 cut, 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 cat, 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 cap, 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 cane, cane, cane,